Hello guys, a new video about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a mid-position coin with a ticker SHIB that has a current worth of $0.000012 and a market capitalization of $6,495,644,216. On May 13th, the cost of Shiba Inu was at $0.000011 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 7.87%. 7 days prior, on May 7th, SHIB was esteemed at $0.000020, and that actually intends that from that point forward, the cost has vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on April 14th, the market member laid out the cost of Shiba Inu at $0.000027. Hence, the coin has made a 54.34% move to arrive at its current standings. Recently, on May 13th, SHIB had a market capitalization of $5,966,887,189. Keep going week, on May 7th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $10,984,860,794. A month prior, on April 14th, the market worth of Shiba Inu was surveyed to be $14,710,014,338. The cryptocurrency coin Shiba Inu is probably prepared to blast in the market in a couple of days. So we should begin Shiba Inu price prediction 2022. Recently, all the crypto market brokers are seen of outcome of Dogecoin hitting the new high of its excursion. Here we will discuss the Shiba Inu price prediction, which will incorporate different key elements to support it in the forthcoming days. So remain here and read all the SHIB cost expectations cautiously. What is Shiba Inu token? SHIB coin has shown a gigantic pattern, and this moment it is one of the most realized image coins after Doge. In any case, prior to finding out about Shiba Inu's value conjecture and getting it is essential to be aware of the coin too and what the group is arranging. According to the subtleties, Shiba Inu is a meme token that has been created by its local area. In a straightforward significance, Shiba Inu is a local area-based image token like different coins and tokens like Doge and Satama. Developing further local area has Shiba Inu in its portfolio. Presently, there is no such significant job indicated of this token, and when there is any update, we will add it here. SHIB coin earned respect on the grounds that its local area was given a name called Doge Executioner. Many actually trust in the SHIB coin and expectation for 3x to even 9x increases. Peruse the post further to find out about what specialists think about the Shiba Inu coin and its cost activities. SHIB is the most well-known image coin after Doge on the grounds that many individuals have previously put resources into the coin expecting 5x additions. Peruse the post further to find out about our Shiba Inu cost expectation for 2022 and its future potential. Shiba Inu technical analysis. The technicals of this crypto coin say numerous realities which will help the SHIB cost in the forthcoming days. As indicated by us, it will hit 3 objective costs very soon. At present, the cost is $0.00003650. However, according to presumptions and assumptions, it will hit $0.00005000, then hit the subsequent objective cost of $0.00010000. Lastly, in the wake of arriving at the subsequent objective cost effectively, it will move with full ability to hit $0.00020000 soon. Beneath you will find out about our SHIB cost forecast, through which you will comprehend the amount you ought to put resources into the coin. SHIB price prediction. At first, Shiba Inu was endured by each financial backer, yet later with the prominence of Dogecoin it additionally stands out. Presently it is remaining at $0.00003650, yet in the event that you watch exchanged volume, you will put resources into this coin. Our Shiba Inu price prediction will provide you with an overall thought of where the coin go from now on. Remember that these SHIB cost estimates will not be excessively exact. At first, the coin was accessible just on Binance app, However, on the colossal interest, numerous different trades list this coin on their trade. The most widely recognized character Elon Musk has come on the side of SHIB coin very soon. While on the opposite side, its designer Nakamoto has likewise attempted to help the coin, since he is dynamic on his Twitter and other social records, to draw in with financial backers who are intrigued to turn out to be important for SHIB coin's $1 cost in the impending months. Where to buy Shiba Inu coins? There are a few trades where you are permitted to exchange Shiba Inu. The stages are Binance, Tokyo Crypto, OKEx, Coinbase Exchange, and Nominex. There you can exchange the token. Binance, Tokyo Crypto, OKEx, Coinbase Exchange, Nominex. What is the future potential of Shiba Inu? Based on our insight and exploration, we have observed that Shiba Inu is profoundly unpredictable. So you can put resources into the Shiba Inu token after the affirmed research all alone. Regardless of whether you need to put away your cash, then you can contribute a gamble-free sum. The gamble is high in this token. In which DeFi wallet I can hold my SHIB? According to the subtleties, you can hold Shiba Inu in the few accessible digital money wallets. At present, you can hold Doge Executioner in Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and Atomic Wallet. Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Atomic Wallet. The least demanding method for holding the token is to get it on your trade and afterward leave it there. In the event that you are purchasing a colossal measure of coins, then moving it to a hot or cold wallet will be a lot more secure choice. Is Shiba Inu scam token? The progressions of being a trick token are immaterial on the grounds that the coin has been created by the Dogecoin people group and it is on the lookout for so long. In any case, the gamble of losing cash is extremely high in view of the way that the token is only an image coin. Kindly don't depend on our SHIB cost forecast for 2022 on the grounds that it tends to be profoundly incorrect. Will Shiba Inu rise again? The present moment it is truly difficult to say about will Shiba Inu rise again on the grounds that we have seen gigantic additions before and the market cap of the coin is as of now excessively high. The consuming system of the SHIB coin is as yet continuing and we have seen a few increases previously. Will SHIB rise again? The truth will surface eventually. Will Shiba Inu reach $1? There are remotely low changes of SHIB coin arriving at $1 in light of the fact that the coin esteem is too low and the market cap is high. Image coins have done a few flighty maneuvers in the past, which amounts to something can occur in store for Shiba Inu. When is Robinhood listing Shiba Inu? As per our discoveries, Robinhood has no designs to list the Shiba Inu coin. Besides, a few reports say that Robinhood could list the SHIB coin in January 2022.